Welcome to my General Knowledge series. Today's session is GK question answers. Now I shall start.
How many rings on the Olympic flag?
5.
World Environment Day is celebrated on
5th June.
What do you call a group of lions?
Pride.
Who has won the most Oscars?
Walt Disney.
Which country grows the most fruit?
China.
Which company is owned by Bill Gates?
Microsoft.
What was the first James Bond book called?
Casino Royale.
What is classified as the ABO system?
Blood group.
Which part of the human body contains the most gold?
Toenail.
What lives in a formicarium?
Ant.
Which is the largest state in the USA?
Alaska.
What family of plants does broccoli belongs to?
Cabbage.
What is the national flower of Japan?
Chrysanthemum.
Who discovered blood circulation?
William Harvey.
Which martial arts gives the meaning of gentle way?
Judo.
Which American state is nicknamed as the Diamond State?
Delaware.
The former name of which disease is consumption?
Tuberculosis.
What is the name of longest river in Italy?
Po.
Which animal's name translates as water horse?
Hippopotamus.
Which digit does not exist in the Roman numerals?
0.
What is the staple food of 1/3 of the world's population?
Rice.
What is the food tofu made from?
Soybean milk.
What Italian building material translates as baked earth?
Terracotta.
In which country men's use the most deodorant?
Japan.
Which country has the smallest birth rate?
Vatican City.
Which country was the first to introduce old age pensions?
Germany.
From which language does the word alphabet come from?
Greek alphabet.
What name was given by Greek for the circle of animals?
Zodiac.
What is the young one of whale called as?
Calf.
Which bird turns its head upside down to eat?
Flamingo.
Who invented toothbrush?
William Addison.
Who invented popcorn?
American Indians.
Which flower is known for the symbol of secrecy?
Rose.
Which is the world's most popular green vegetable?
Lettuce.
Blue, red, green, yellow are 4 color rings in Olympic. What's missing?
Black.
Which country first used the fountain pen?
Egypt.
Which state in India has the highest literacy rate?
Kerala.
Which language has the most words?
English.
Which song is sung the most in all over the world?
Happy birthday.
What is national bird of India?
Peacock.
Which is the world's tallest grass?
Bamboo.
Which animals can live longest without water?
Rat.
Which fruit contains the most protein?
Avocado.
In which country were antibiotics first used?
Egypt.
What is steganography?
Invisible ink writing.
What is the commonest symbol on flags of the world?
Star.
A JPEG is a picture file format. What does JPEG stand for?
Joint Photography Expert Group.
What is the Roman numeral for 1000?
M.
Which country is second most that has roads if USA is first?
India.
Which dinosaur's name translated as speedy predator?
Velociraptor.
What is the meaning of Sanskrit word yoga, the meditation?
Union.
Which country is second most that has cars if USA is first?
Japan.
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
What is the color of octopus blood?
Blue.
Which is the only bird that can smell?
Emu.
Where is the thinnest skin on the human body?
Eye.
Which animal is referred as the ship of the desert?
Camel.
The USA president lives in White House. Who lives in Blue House?
President of South Korea.
Which city is the world's largest carpet manufacturer?
Kashmir.
Which animal sleeps with one eye open?
Dolphin.
The eyes of which animals have rectangular pupils?
Goat.
Which animal's eye is larger than its brain?
Ostrich.
Which fish can blink its eyes?
Shark.
Which is the sacred animal of Thailand?
White elephant.
What does all living things contain?
Water.
Where does the word cop come from?
Constable on patrol.
In which country did stamp collection start?
France.
What is the young one of bat called?
Pup.
Which plant has flowers but no leaves?
Cactus.
Which city stands on the Hooghly River?
Calcutta.
Which insect has 12,000 eyes?
Butterfly.
What is India's national flower?
Lotus.
Which snake builds a nest?
King cobra.
Which animals cannot swim?
Gorilla.
Which country has the most post offices?
India.
Which flower is a symbol of culture?
Lotus.
Which planet is nearest to Earth?
Venus.
Which country has only music and no words in its national anthem?
Bahrain.
What is the full form of SIM?
Subscriber Identity Model.
Which is the biggest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
What will the day after tomorrow be if yesterday was Sunday?
Wednesday.
How many neck bones does giraffe have?
7.
Which fairy tale has the longest hair?
Rapunzel.
Which watercraft that travels underwater?
Submarine.
Orthography is the study of.
Mountain.
Which is the biggest continent in the world?
Asia.
Which part of brain is known as the biggest one?
Cerebrum.
Which river is known as the holy river of India?
Ganga.
Which is the hottest place in the world?
Ethiopia.
Which is the nearest star to Earth?
Sun.
What are the two holes in the nose called?
Nostrils.
Which creatures communicate by touch, smell and dance?
Honeybee.
Which country in the world produces the most mangoes?
India.
What is measured in ohms?
Electrical resistance.
Which country's capital is Dhaka?
Bangladesh.
What is a male camel called?
Bull.
Tribology is the study of what?
Friction.
Which is the only country that has different national flag on both sides?
Paraguay.
What is the official language of Egypt?
Arabic.
Venus is the only planet that does what?
Rotate clockwise. Thank you.